My dear students of class 12, welcome to the online class. How are you? I hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty God. Dear students, I am Raghunath Boni, Assistant Professor, Department of Statistics, Milestone College. Dear students, today our revision class, our topics, correlation, regression, statistics first paper, chapter 1. Today I will discuss a creative question from this chapter. So dear students, let's start our class. At first I will read the question. Here we see that given the following data, advertising expenditure lakh taka, mean 35 lakh taka, and sales taka in Kori 82 Kori. Standard deviation advertising expenditure 9.03 lakh and sales 17.16 Kori. Here given that correlation coefficient are equal to 0.61. Knowledge based question A, what is correlation coefficient? B, interpret the value of R equal to 3. C, estimate the regression equation of sales on advertising expenditure. What should be the advertising expenditure for attaining sales target taka 90 Kori? Okay, dear students, at first we have to know the correlation coefficient. Dear students, correlation coefficient is the measure of the strength of the linear equation, linear relationship between two variables. Okay, dear students, previous we have to discuss the basically discuss from this chapter. Now I will discuss again the correlation coefficient. We know that it's a bivariate data. Here we select the two variable. One variable is x and another variable is y. Okay, dear students. Secondly, inside the value of r equal to 3, we know that the correlation coefficient range is -1 less than equal to x, r less than equal to 1. So it's impossible the r equal to 3. Now we have to write the solution. At first I erase the board. A, correlation coefficient, solution, correlation coefficient, correlation coefficient, CIN, coefficient. Correlation coefficient is the measure of correlation coefficient is the measure of the strength of the linear relationship between the two variables, Okay, dear students, we have to know that. Secondly, enter the value r, calculate the value r equal to 3. We know B we know that the value of the correlation coefficient lies between, we know that the value of the correlation coefficient lies between -1 less than equal to or less than equal to 1. Okay, it is the lowest value of -1 and highest value of +1 and the highest value of +1. Okay, that is the value of r cannot be smaller than 1. That is the value of r cannot be smaller than 1, cannot be smaller than 1. So hence it's meant by the impossible correlation. Hence it means the impossible correlation. By the impossible correlation. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understand that r equal to 3, it is impossible correlation. Okay, impossible correlation. Okay, because we know that the coefficient correlation lies between -1 less than equal to r less than equal to 1. So it is clear that the r equal to 3 is impossible correlation. Okay, now we have to estimate the question number C. Question C. What is the estimate the regression equation of the sales on advertising expenditure? Okay, let advertising expenditure, see, let advertising expenditure equal to X and sales Y. The regression equation of Y on X is the regression. So the regression given that given X bar equal to 35, Y bar equal to 82, sigma X equal to 9.03, sigma Y equal to 17.16. So the regression equation of Y on X is the regression equation equation y on x is x minus x bar equal to r into sigma x by sigma y sigma y by sigma x y on x sigma y by sigma x y minus y bar y minus y bar no y minus y bar x minus x bar. Okay, now putting the value here, we can write y minus y bar equal to 82 r and r equal to 0.61 তাহলে 0.61 into 17.16 by 9.03 x minus 35. Okay, now we can write y equal to 41.43 plus 1.159 x. This is the equation of the regression. Equation is y on x. Okay, dear students, now we have to calculate the question number D. What should be the advertising expenditure for attaining sales target টাকা 90 কোটি? Okay, again here again the regression equation of x on y is question number D. Given the value from equation C, we have to write this item. Now the regression equation of x on y is, here this line is changed by x minus x bar sigma x by sigma y and y minus y bar. Okay, now putting the value from this equation is x minus 35 0.61 into 9.03 divided by 17.16 into y minus y bar, that means 82. Okay, we have to write the x equal to 8.76 plus 0.32y. Okay, dear students, this is the calculated value. This is the equation from the regression equation x on y. Now when sales y equal to 90 kori, when sales equal to 90 kori, then the estimated advertising expenditure, then the estimated advertising expenditure is x equal to 8.76 plus 0.32 into 90. Okay, dear students, the final result is 37.56. Okay, so we have to write the advertising expenditure should be টাকা 37.56 lakh for attaining sales target of টাকা 90 কোটি, টাকা 90 কোটি. Okay, dear students, this is the solution of question number D. Dear students, I hope that you have understand the creative question. If you face any problem, dear students, you watch the video again and again, and this creative question you will be practice and send my inbox. Dear students, thanks to all. Goodbye.